What's up, Bostelinas? Bad news. Car is unfixable. It's got mystery weird shit going on and nobody can figure out. Well, I don't know. One guy can't figure it out. But they seem to know fucking everything about them cars. So here's the deal, right? I checked, my car is old. It's an 03. 260,000 miles. I don't know, 270. I don't even know anymore. I quit counting. I keep it maintained. I stay on top of everything. I clay bar and wax that car. I've been doing it. I bought that car in 05. It's an 03. I bought it in 05. So I've been taking care of that thing this whole time religiously. Anytime something breaks, immediately fix it. Oil change, immediately fixed. That engine bay is clean as a whistle. I've taken good care of that car. A transmission goes out, put a new transmission in it. Did that twice. It's cheaper than a car note. Especially right now, dude. Cars are out of control right now, dude. They want, dude, for a car, they want $25,000 for a car with 100,000 miles on it. Dude, that's insanity to me, dude. Especially coming from what prices were when I grew up. I mean, that's a $3,000 car, you know. If it's a nice car, $5,000. But with 107,000 miles, bro, no. I've been getting the car fixed. Every time it breaks, I just get it fixed. I barely drive the thing anyway. Well, I check the oil religiously. I mean, every time I drive it. Because I'm OCD, you know. So at the end of every ride, every drive, I check the oil. And it's been at the same top dot this whole time. Like, never changes, right? Change the oil, fill it up to the top dot, leave it there, never changes. So the other day, I checked the oil and I'm like half a quart low. And all I did was go to like Home Depot and Harbor Freight, which were right around the corner. I didn't even go that far. I'm losing half a quart of oil that quick? Bro, we in trouble, dude. Bring it to the mechanic. He's like, this thing ain't leaking oil. I'm like, bullshit, it ain't leaking oil. He's like, well, maybe it's burning it. I was like, there's no way he's burning that much oil. He said, you're right. And I'm like, well, what the fuck is wrong then? He's like, I don't know, man. And the name of the place is the Hondu shop. That's all they do is work on these cars. They've been around forever. They've been working on that engine forever. And if they can't get it, I ain't going through the ringer of taking it 20,000 different places. Bro, we can't even make it to the mechanic shop. Right now, what we're doing is driving up there. Has my blinker been on that whole time? God. Right now, we're driving up there to pay the bill for whatever they did to the car, which I guess is nothing. I don't know. And then we're gonna stick it on a tow truck, tow it to the house, bro. Can't make it home. I'd go through 57 quarts of oil. It would be a funny video of me having to get out every 5 minutes and pour oil in it. But honestly, like, I'm not into that. Not fucking into it. I'd rather pay $100 to a guy and not have to worry about blowing this engine up. I think it's the rear main seal. He says, no, it's just seeping. Yeah, well, how much is it fucking seeping? It must be seeping a lot. Half a quart in 2 miles, man, bro. For real, that's a lot of oil, dude. And I'm like, well, I guess I'll come tow it home. And he's like, why would you do that? Bro, you can't drive it. Oh my God, bro. Dude, I can't. He thinks I'm stupid. He's like, no, I think you're reading a dipstick wrong. Bro, let me tell you something. I am 45 fucking years old. I know how to read a fucking dipstick, okay? I've been reading dipstick since I was 15. Longer than that. I was 13 when I got my first car, bro. No. You want a receipt? No, I want my car fixed. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go pay for the car and get it towed home. This is my, oh shit. Whoops. Them tires are a little cold for that shit too. But that dude behind me didn't rear end us. That's what I need to happen right now. Go, 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 go. He don't know how the lane works. Oh my goodness. Will you look at that? Sweet, sweet polluted city air, boy. Mmm. Ah. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God! Go! Oh my God, dude. Now is not a good time to be doing what I'm doing on this road. Woo! Wah, wah, wah. Woo! Get it, bro! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Swerved at me. Yeah, boy, they like doing that shit. I like it when they do that. I like it when you guys do. I like it when you guys do. If I say I'll be there in 20 minutes, motherfucker, I'll be there in 10. Stance. Half stance. Bro, this dude is smoking bud. I thought it was a skunk, but it's his. Yeah, I see it. Look. Poop, poop. Let me hit that. Come here. Alright, boss Salinas. Love y'all. Thanks for taking this ride. We're going to go to the dealer tomorrow and buy a car. I might take y'all with me.